Making a reservation.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to book 2 rooms, please.
Of course, sir. For how many people?
We are 5 people.
What kind of rooms would you like, sir?
I need 1 double room for my wife, my son, and me, and 1 twin room for my daughters.
What are your check-in and check-out dates?
We will arrive on July 3rd and stay until July 7th.
Let me check. If you would like to upgrade, we can offer you a double room with a sofa bed for your child.
That's perfect. I really appreciate it. I would like the double room with a sea view, please. The twin room can be standard.
The sea view room is $80 per night, and the twin room is $60 per night.
That's fine.
Perfect. May I have your name and contact number?
My name is Robert Carter. My phone number is 555-512-34.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. Your reservation is confirmed. Do you need transportation from the airport?
Yes, please. We will arrive at 4 p.m. on July 3rd.
I will arrange a shuttle for you. The driver will wait at the arrivals area.
Great. Thank you.
Check-in at the hotel.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello? We have a reservation. My name is Robert Carter.
Let me check. You have booked a double room with a sea view and a twin room. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
I see that breakfast isn't included, but you can add it for $10 per person per day.
That's fine. We will add breakfast for all of us. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. until 10 a.m. It's a buffet.
That works for me.
May I see your ID or passport, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Your rooms are 305 and 316 on the third floor. Here are your keys. The elevator is at the end of the hall.
By the way, what time does the swimming pool open?
The pool is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Do we need to bring our own towels?
No, we provide pool towels. You can ask at the pool desk.
Is there food service by the pool?
Yes, sir. You can order food and drinks from the pool bar.
That sounds great.
If you need anything, please call the front desk.
Thank you.
Booking activities at the hotel.
Hello. I would like to book some activities for my family.
Of course. What would you like to do?
We would like to see a show. What do you recommend?
We have a family-friendly musical show on Friday at 8 p.m.
That sounds great. Can I book 5 tickets?
Yes. The tickets are $20 per person. You can pay now or charge them to your room.
I will charge them to my room. Also, we want to visit the city museum.
We sell museum tickets. The museum is a 10-minute walk from the hotel, or you can take public transport nearby.
Uh, how much are the tickets?
$15 per adult and $10 per child.
Okay. 2 adult tickets and 3 child tickets, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
Do you have any activities for children at the hotel?
Yes, we have a kids' playroom and a mini club with games and activities.
That's perfect.
Dining at the hotel restaurant.
Good evening. We have a reservation for 5. The name is Carter.
Good evening. Welcome to the hotel restaurant. Right this way. Here is your table.
Thank you. What is today's special?
Today's special is grilled salmon with vegetables.
That sounds delicious. We'll have 2 salmon dishes and 3 pasta dishes for the kids.
And for drinks,
4 lemon sodas and 1 water, please.
perfect. I will bring your food shortly.
After dinner,
How was your meal?
It was very good.
Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. How would you like to pay?
Charge it to room 305, please.
Just sign here, sir. Thank you for dining with us.
checkout, and luggage storage.
Good morning. I would like to check out.
Good morning, Mr. Carter. Let me check. You are in rooms 305 and 316, correct?
Yes, here are the room keys.
Thank you. Your total bill is $450. How would you like to pay?
By credit card, please.
Okay. Payment is complete. Do you need transportation to the airport?
Actually, our flight is in the evening. Can we leave our luggage at the hotel for a few hours?
You can leave your luggage here and pick it up later.
That's great. We want to do some sightseeing before going to the airport.
No problem. How many bags would you like to store?
We have 4 suitcases and 1 backpack.
I have noted that. Here is your luggage tag. Please keep this ticket to collect your bags.
Thank you. What time do we need to return?
You can pick up your luggage anytime before 10 p.m.
Perfect. Also, can you book a taxi to the airport for us?
Certainly. What time would you like the taxi?
Around 6 p.m., please.
Your taxi is booked for 6 p.m. If you need anything else, just let us know.
That's wonderful. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.